If a homeowner asks me, should I accept the first offer I receive? The answer is almost always no, no, no. I always get a little sick to my stomach when I hear a seller saying that they sold their house in just a day. And here's why. If you take that first offer, you're not allowing time for your home to be exposed to everyone. Hi, I'm Sheila Howell with Red One Realty, and the goal is for your home to be seen by the masses and to ensure that you get the highest price and the best terms for your home. If the home is highly desirable and in high demand, you'll likely have multiple offers. And that typically equates to your home being sold for more money and better terms. So don't just take the first offer that comes in. Ensure that your home has been properly marketed and exposed to ensure you get the maximum return on your investment. But every situation is unique. There may be times when there are fewer buyers to qualify for the purchase of your home, or there's something that stands out on that offer that makes it the one. Of course, the market is ever changing. That's why you need an experienced realtor who knows the market and can provide valuable insights to help with that decision. I'm Sheila Howell with Red One Realty, simplifying your real estate journey.